So today I am checking out these fuel filters. Now I needed just one because I'm going to put this in between my auxiliary gas tank on my truck and the fuel line that feeds into my regular gas tank. So I wanted something that could catch anything that was in the tank, which should be nothing, but you never know if there's like some aluminum in there still. It's an aluminum tank, and when they drill the holes, you just want to be careful with that. But I wanted ones that were real simple that I could just unscrew like this, and I could take out the filter. Here you go. So you can just pull the glass off. Here's the filter. You can change it. Very versatile type of fuel filters. Then I started thinking, wait a minute, I need a lot more of these. I don't need one just for my truck. I need one of these for my tractor. I need one of these for my skid steer. I mean, I just need these kind of things all over the place to capture any large stuff that goes in there. So I figured, why not buy 5? So, like you've heard the saying, why buy 1 when you can buy 2 at double the price? Well, hey, this is buying 5 at not much more than the price of 1. So I bought 5 of these, and they are pretty decent size holes here. So, I mean, if you need to move some fuel, this is some pretty big size filters on the end. This isn't like something small for like your lawnmower. These are larger size 3/8 inch fittings. So this is what would be automotive size, fuel hose. So you put the fuel hose on both of this. You just basically find the hose area you want to cut, clip it, put the hose on each side. Definitely put hose clamps on the end. I mean, it does have this kind of barbed end, but you definitely want to put hose clamps to always hold your hoses. You don't want fuel leaking everywhere. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I really like these, and it's a pretty fine mesh. I mean, this isn't probably as fine as, like, let's say a paper filter, but that's not my goal with these. We have fuel filters and everything like that already on your tractors and machinery and your trucks and cars. So this is really just to catch anything I don't want clogging up a line. If someone left some aluminum inside of my tank that I put in the bed of my truck, and a large piece of shaving or anything like that went in here, I mean, that could do some pretty major damage. You would expect that to be caught in your paper filter, but not always. I mean, what if it got stuck before that part, and got stuck in the hose, and now you've got obstruction and you can't get fuel? I mean, these are just easy to put in and gives you that extra peace of mind, especially if you did what I did and added something, to your vehicle. So also, these are awesome for boats. So I definitely am going to put one of these in my boats if I have any left over. We've got jet skis. I mean, anywhere that I'm going to have the possibility of any kind of debris getting in the fuel, I'm going to put these in there. But anyways, long-winded discussion on these, but I just wanted to let you know that's what these are for and how easy they come apart, easy they are to clean. Elements are replaceable. I mean, just a very versatile type of fuel filter. All right, well, I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.